How's it going, folks? Taylor Wachowski here. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to alpha roll your dog. Make sure you have plenty of room to wrestle. You don't want to break any lamps while you're showing your dog who's boss.
This floor is a little dirty. There, that's better. Now bring your dog into your space, and make sure he knows it's your space by giving him a tasty treat. Alright, now it's business time. Make sure you two are comfortable. Now pin your dog down by rubbing his chest. Move slowly down his belly, and slap that sucker over. There, now you have him right where you want him. Keep him there for a few more seconds so he learns not to cross you in the future. Now let your dog get up on their own time. No need to be too harsh on the little fella. And there you have it. You have successfully alpha-rolled your dog. Oh, sorry. Is that not graphic enough for you? Okay, how about this? Throw your dog down. Punch him, kick him, get him in a headlock, and stand on top of him. That'll show him who's boss.
Well, that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more sarcastic videos like this in the future, then be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Let me know what you would like to see next time. Until then, stay positive.